Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you hit sync, it spins, then it says sync failed. So you have no idea what happened. You usually are basically synchronizing both of your watch and your phone directly, no problems. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix the sync failed in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So all the way we're gonna go and try to force an actual thing by opening the Garmin Connect app. So here make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. Here is the dashboard. To access it, you must log in using your email address and password. Now try and pull down from the top of the home screen and release to force a refresh. On your watch also, hold the light button. Scroll to the two arrows, it's basically a sync icon, then tap it. As for the reset combo, like if that totally fails, unpair the watch from phone like Bluetooth settings. If you basically want to access them, long press details, then go all the way, Bluetooth. Then the gear icon, okay, for example, gear icon. And that's it, just tap on forget this device. Now it's time to restart your watch by holding light button until off, then force quit and reopen Garmin Connect. Just swipe it up this way and open it again. Okay, when open it, I don't think you will need to log in again, so it's totally fine. All you gotta do now is repair your watch by going through settings or more, or the three-dot menu, tap on Garmin devices, add device, follow the prompt, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.